Hey y'all, hey! Welcome to Golden Legacy. But this is the office for it. But it's me, JustGodSense, and I am here today to do some unboxing. So let's see what we have. Up first, if I can get, I always figured I have my scissors. If I can get into it. Let me just quick because I know my phone likes to cut off. We got the little bags, clear whatever bags to go into it. And I have jewelry card holders. And then we have our faith necklaces order. But these are going to go inside. You're amazing, you're kind, you're chosen. These will go inside of our little gift bags that I am creating. So I'm excited about that. We'll put that to the side. Pull the tear open. Yeah, doesn't work for me. Next up, I think it's some more of those. We're gonna see. Gotta go to Michael's. Yep, that's my second part of my order. And these are the purple ones. Yay! So that's all set. Put those on there. Now this next order, I ordered something a while ago and it took forever for it to come. So it's finally here. Oh no, this is not what I ordered a while ago. These are my bags that I just ordered. Oh, you guys, those are so beautiful. Yes, I'm so excited that I ordered those. Yay. Those are beautiful. Put that back in there. These right here should be I'm assuming it should be some hats. They're individually wrapped. So yes, okay. I'm going to see. Is this my blessed hats? Okay, girl, you blessed. Thank you. Good deal, good deal, good deal. This is my, because you know acid washes in. God is good hat. Oh, that's actually 4 in there. Oh, it's 4 in that one too. Okay. Jesus hat. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And those over there. One last paquete. I don't really remember what this. Oh, this is the one I think that I ordered back in 1965, and they're finally sending it to me. This is the one. Let's see. All right. So I ordered some labels. I'm very impressed with those. They did a really great job. This is probably my fault, but I sent them that, and that's supposed to go on the outside of boxes. I thought it was doing something. I don't know if that label ends up being transparent or clear. And get ready to wrap it on a box. It doesn't look like it. So yep, that was definitely my fault. You can't even see what that says. All right, boys and girls, last package, last item. This is supposed to go over my table. We're gonna see if it's gonna be on my table. Dun, 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 dun. How big is this? 6 feet? Did I order 2? It's thick. It's thick. I don't have a. Oh, it's on both sides. It's on both sides, you guys. What do you guys think? Tell me. Drop it in the comments because I can't see it. Thanks for watching.